Okay, you guys, I'm a fan of protein bars. I use them at the office because I'm really busy and sometimes I just need a quick snack before I crash, so I like to have these on hand. They're higher in protein, lower in sugar. If you're following a certain diet, they may be good for you. I don't think these are the most ideal in terms of nutrition because you do have added sugars here. There's 2 grams of added sugar. Not ideal. I like all the sweetened stuff to be natural. They do have natural flavors, but there is sucralose in here as a sweetener. I'd prefer monk fruit or stevia in mine. These are made in the USA. There's 2 other flavors. You have the chocolate one here, Chocolate Deluxe, which has a little bit more protein, same amount of sugar. And this one here has the same amount of protein, but a little more sugar. I think this one is the best one for sugar. This 2 grams, only 1 gram of extra sugar. But anyway, the most important thing for me is probably going to be the taste. Now, I'm not going to eat these now, but I will open them up for you to show you the bar. Oops. Oh, that didn't open very well, did it? Let's try this side. Okay, they open up that way. Already ruined that. Anyway, this is what the bar looks like. Decent size. It's smaller than some bars I've had, but that's probably because it's very chocolatey and chocolate bar-like. So, to be continued. Okay, so today I'm going in for the pure protein peanut butter version. Let's see how this baby tastes. First of all, you can see how it looks. Very nicely coated in this warm weather, no meltiness going on. Pretty substantial bar. It should be because it is 200 calories. Okay, let's bite in. Okay, my assessment of this. This is not a peanut butter cup type of effect. This is kind of like your whipped protein bar nougatized in the middle, and they put like a scoop of a literal peanut butter in and whisked it in with some Rice Krispie sort of things. It's good, but I wouldn't call it a chocolate bar, and I wouldn't say the texture is too different from other protein bars you might have tried. It's got a very chewy, full-bodied protein sort of effect flavor. Yeah, it's pretty good. Not mind blown compared to some other ones I've tried, but considering this is very filling, I have had other bars from the same company, different flavor. Yeah, I quite like these.